Technology is the future!
By Shannon Richardson
and Lindsay Bloom. How do we allow students with disabilities to fully access technology in their classroom?
That's a great question.
There are many ways to make your technology device more accessible for the students in your classroom.
What if my students have ADHD, a visual impairment, a hearing disability, or even a physical impairment?
There are accessibility features for all students that will help tremendously.
Well, I have a student who needs help with visually seen text. What can you do for me? She uses her phone for different things within the classroom.
There is a feature on Apple devices that creates larger text. All you have to do is go to your general settings and find the accessibility feature for text enlargement.
Wow, I never knew iPhones had that feature. That sounds so easy. But what if I have a student who needs help reading text on the computer?
The feature that Windows allows you to have a basic screen reader is called Narrator. It's easy to find in your control panel.
That sounds too good to be true. I have a harder question for you now. What if I have a student with a hearing impairment?
That's not hard. The accessibility feature on your computer that will allow your student to use text or visual alternatives for sounds is easy to find in your ease of access on your computer.
There are just so many accessibility features to use with technology for my classroom. Thanks for showing me some snapshots.
No problem. If you want to learn more about accessibility features, just use your favorite search engine. Technology is the future!
Created using Powtoon.